We traveled 30 hours, 2,200 miles for a truck show, and my friend Matt had one mission.
So we can beat DMAXRYNO.
His SEMA build was hugely influenced by DMAXRYNO, and he's been fangirling over him for the last couple of years.
Anything that any resource, I went back and watched all of his SEMA prep videos just to make sure I had all my bases covered, all the details, all the issues.
Here it began our elaborate plan to surprise him.
Dude, what the heck?
I mean, I've been fanboying out up here this whole last week or so. I'm like, man, I'm gonna get this grind. I'm gonna get this grind. And I hear he might not even come. Bro, I done drove halfway,
all the way
across the country. And then he might not even show up. He got to get ready for SEMA now.
Right. Look at him smile because he found out Ryan's coming.
Man, shut up, man.
Oh, why you always gotta have a camera in my face?
Day one of Flog Fest.
I see that dude everywhere.
Oh yeah, that dude. He was at STN. That's Kevin's truck. I signed that truck in Daytona I signed it in 2020.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I signed it during the COVID year. So I gotta go see if my signature is still there somewhere. I don't remember why I signed it, to be honest. So today is kind of a slow day because obviously it's still Friday. A lot of people are still working on Friday, so a lot of people will probably start heading this way after work or something like that, and a lot of the locals will be here tomorrow. So today is a nice easy setup day / just chill with people, and then tomorrow is going to be kind of crazy. What you looking for, DMAXRYNO?
Shut up.
You already know he was looking over there is Rhino there? Is Ryan there?
No.
Is Ryan's truck here? Don't lie.
I was really thinking about trying to go around this guy. That's what I was really thinking about. Can I just go around this guy?
I bet you as soon as we park, the first thing he's gonna do is go inside and see if the Work For It apparel booth is set up.
Hey man, don't judge me.
Devin wants to go look at that.
Let's vlog it out.
Yeah, I know Devin wants to go look at that Flog bumper.
All right, David, let's go look at that bumper. I know you already want to.
Yep.
Your truck? Yeah. Nice. He wants to get a Flog bumper.
Same thing.
Same body style, so.
Yeah.
That's a Morimoto headlight, huh?
Shoot, I'm gonna order both of them.
I think Flog bumper looks the best on this body style.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Clean for sure.
I had it on my 11 and it fits good, but it doesn't fit this body style. True L5P?
Yeah, it's tuned and shit too.
It's tuned?
Yeah. Okay. Doesn't even have torques anymore.
So this is a 6.5 inch BDS coilover? No, this is the 4.5, right? 6.5? Dude, how does that ride? Because we were talking about the coilover kit earlier.
Good.
Yeah?
100 times better than it did before.
That kit's $7 grand, $8 grand, right?
Yeah.
And it's a lot of work. I mean, obviously y'all can see no torsion bars because it gets rid of the torsion bars and it goes straight to coilovers.
One thing is the back end still kind of bucks a little bit on the bump sometimes.
So what do you
just
do?
Normal.
Just rear
I don't
blocks?
know what else you can do, but yeah, it's nothing special back here.
You from around here?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, if you're from Utah, you have to have a Flog bumper. You know what I mean?
Especially.
17 L5, 17, 18? 18 L5P. Hell yeah, clean. I want this body style. I want it bad. And I want an L5P too. I want GMC. This is Denali, right?
Yeah.
I gotta have a Denali, dude. I can't have no LTZ. Come on, man. Sorry, man.
You can't be that bougie.
You don't see him?
No.
I guess I'll tell him we need to make it bigger.
Blind? Well, it's kind of it's a military camo.
It's right there. You gotta come over here and look at it.
All right, I'm gonna go.
How you gonna do it? On your bike?
Yeah.
All right.
Dude, yesterday I was telling you, I'm where you guys at? Because I was even from San Diego and you guys were from Arizona, right? You guys
We're from East Coast. We're
no,
from
I know, but
Georgia.
weren't you driving from Arizona? I saw you guys driving from Arizona. No?
Yeah, but we went like Arizona up to Utah.
Oh, okay, you guys went that way.
Yeah.
That's why I sent you a message. I'm Mr. Fresh.
Okay.
Yeah, Freddie. So I sent you a message. I'm all.
I don't think going to San Diego would make sense from
Because I was
Arizona.
going to meet a lot of people from Vegas where we're just going to shoot up.
Oh, okay.
So I was like, all right.
So were you asking if we were going all the way to San Diego?
Yeah, from San Diego to shoot up here this way so we could just all tailgate.
Oh, no.
I'm horrible with names. What's his name?
Matt.
Matt?
Yeah.
Oh my god, Dad, look at that tip.
Yeah.
All right, let's go surprise Matt. You still cleaning? I don't think Rhino's here. His truck's not here.
It is what it is, man.
Sorry. Renegade's here though.
Alright.
Where's your truck?
Flog Fest?
Oh, his truck?
Yeah.
Freddie? That's his name?
Yeah.
What's he do?
What's up, buddy? What's up, man? How you doing, bro?
Look how happy
I wasn't gonna make it, but I figured, you know, you drove all the way out here. I'll come out here for you.
I appreciate that, man. I truly appreciate that.
Yeah, man.
That's awesome,
So
dude.
y'all drove how long? You guys been on the road for a couple days, right?
32 hours.
30 hours, 32
Whoa.
hours, something like that. I don't even know.
Jeez, bro.
I've never seen him this happy.
Yeah, whatever, dude, whatever.
Even when his son was born, I don't think he was this happy.
We'll talk about your truck here in a second. I mean, obviously you guys know. Who are you?
JW.
JW, I mean, you chronicled this entire build, right?
Yeah.
So everybody go to JW Montoya on the old YouTubes here. You guys can see this whole thing getting built. But what is it? For God. Yeah, there's a lot of underscores in there though.
There's one underscore.
Oh, there's only one underscore?
Only one
He
in the
knows
middle.
your username.
He knows my username. Hey, we're working our way up here. Oh, man.
What's up?
Is that Shannon Mara? Oh my God, girl!
Rhino?
That's for sale, isn't it?
Yes, for sale.
For sale.
Y'all can't park too close to the dually now. Y'all going out there.
Oh, he's parking right next to the dually.
I know,
actually.
right?
I thought they were gonna park inside with Renegade. Hey, you park over here next to the dually.
God.
Who are you on the phone with?
I'm doing well, I'm doing well.
There's like a man crush.
Well, hold on. I'm looking at that ring though. Like, what kind of crush are we talking about? You know, I could use one of them.
Do you see a truck?
All right, fair is fair. Fair is fair. All right.
Right, and that's only one of the two, right?
Nice. All right.
Matt has to call his wife to show her that Rhino's here.
Hey, I got to meet the man, the myth, the legend, babe.
I don't know about that.
You know, I knew what I was preparing for, you know, just like all the information that you put out there. But you hit it to in your video a couple of days ago where you were like, I'm gonna give you the good, the bad, and the ugly about SEMA, right? I was like, that is the truth. Like, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Like, here it is all laid out. It's not just, oh, you build a nice looking truck and go to SEMA and it's all great. Like, nah, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, we had breakdowns on the way home. It was like,
I'd hate to y'all's drive, man. I don't know how you guys do your drive.
How do you feel meeting
I'm on cloud 9 right now, baby.
the myth, the legend?
I'm on cloud 9, baby. The 60 hours that we spent on the road are all worth it now.
Because the whole time he wouldn't stop talking about it.
I don't know about all that now.
No, seriously, he's like, is Ryan gonna be there? And I don't know if he's Ryan. And then when we get here, he talks to all the Flog guys. Is Rhino gonna be here? Is
I
Rhino
just
gonna
asked
be
one
here?
question, man. I asked one time, dude. Dang. It's like the closest I'm ever going to get, so.
What's up?
What up, bro?
What y'all get here?
3 this morning. So it wasn't bad. How long was the drive? 10 hours.
10 hours?
10 hours, yeah. Not
How you
wrong.
doing, man?
Good.
10 hours from Colorado?
Yeah, it's 10 hours and 4 minutes.
No fake.
No, I don't think I trust.
No fake.
Matt, go.
All these years. All these years.
Come on, man. You first.
We just gonna cruise. It's a little gravelly up there. It's a little slippery. What could go wrong? I mean, you could just sit on it, you know. It's not.
Oh, here we go.
This is how we do it on the West Coast. Well, no, hold on to me. Okay, hold on.
Good, dude.
Box already, huh? It is
You
big.
inspired him to get killed, man.
Oh yeah, you think so?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I did.
Where were we?
Huh?
Meeting somebody that you've always seen on TV.
Yeah, like when you meet somebody that you've always like, oh man, I want to meet that guy, or somebody you've always like looked up to or whatever, and then you get there and you're like,
You get all
I don't even know what to say. Like,
Get all
you-
flustered.
yeah, you get all you're like your brain farts out everything
Hey.
you wanted to ask at one point in time or talk about it, but like, dude, like, yeah,
Yeah, we got the whole weekend to ask him questions, so.
yeah.
Right. Hold on. Didn't focus? Okay. Ryan's quiet. Certified shitbox. Hey, we'll go ahead and pick ours up now.
You guys gonna fight over the best GMC?
Is there a, where's the best like SUV?
This one right here, Matt's off road. That's mine.
There you go. That's perfect. I know. I think we would have had a chance.
We would have had a chance. Oh yeah.
This is you did? Luma Gloss?
Yep.
All right, what's that worth to you? Well, don't forget our tip.
I'd say it's 25%.
Yeah, right? Hold on, let me grab this stuff.
Yeah, what was it? $10 a bottle?
So we're here in the
How many
Renegade
How many
booth.
do you need?
We've hijacked it. Rami, if you're watching this, don't worry, buddy. We're in good hands.
let me check our inventory.
We're making sales right here, left and right. This man right here, what's your name?
Meckler.
What is it?
Meckler.
Meckler? Meckler has a very unique name. Meckler's over here buying all of our Lumigloss here. We are selling out thanks to this guy.
Unfortunately, that's all we have for right now.
We don't even have enough to
Yeah.
stock him. He wants a pallet of this. Rami, if you're watching, we gotta bring pallets out here.
We
next
should
time.
have some more tomorrow. Okay.
Hold on, we don't got any other boxes down here?
You know, let me check our inventory.
Nothing in it? JW is the best salesman over here. Look at this.
Well, I mean, what I can do is I can sell you this, and
So we give him a free one of these with every sale that doesn't go on that.
then you can take a card. And if you have any complaints,
Yeah,
all her
you never
fault.
saw us, but
Yeah.
but Jeannie was here. Follow her on her Renegade Lifestyle page.
all right.
If you're into lingerie.
Or you should try the bug off, actually, buzz off.
You ever tried Buzz Off?
Have you ever had that?
Yes, I already bought that stuff already.
Okay.
How do you like it?
It's great. Works great. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Done.
10 minutes, at least 10 minutes. No 9 minutes, no 11 minutes.
12 minutes early.
And you got to make sure you spray it off. You can't just handle
Yeah, I
it.
heard that today.
Yeah.
So just 3 of these?
Yeah.
All right,
That should be $30.
that's what I'm hearing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Well, I feel great. We actually sold it for the right price.
I feel like
we sold more than this.
right. I feel like we should get some commission here, right?
We might.
Commission.
Tell her if she doesn't give you guys commission, I ain't buying from you guys ever again. Thank you.
All right.
You can send all the complaints to her.
I will.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Is that JW Montoya?
Are you DMAXRYNO?
What do you do for a living?
You know, just YouTube. I just film.
Must be nice.
I just film,
All
that's it.
free parts and stuff, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Daddy?
Yeah, daddy's money.
Nice. You don't work on your own stuff, right?
Oh, of course not.
I didn't think so. Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Trust fund. Trust fund?
Yeah, hell yeah. Look at you. Thanks, Dad.
I see it.
Thanks,
Trust fund
Dad.
money.
Hold on, you gotta push the right button. I'm still learning how to work this. You gotta double tap. There we go.
There you go.
Tune it up now. That's a real trust fund child right there.
Pop, 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 pop.
And that actually is really nice. Being able to squat it a little bit just to load everything up.
Yeah.
Oh, the bike.
I gotta figure out why mine.
Let's see if these muscles are just for looks or if they actually work. Yeah.
The whole thing, or what? By myself, or you got you gonna get the whole thing?
Hey, Matt can do it by himself. You might actually be getting in Matt's way.
It's heavier than it looks.
It is. Especially with the pedal issue.
You got there right there?
That military strength.
That's army
Really
style.
like that or what?
What?
The captain scene?
Oh no, yeah, no, we lost the adapters.
That's what I was gonna say earlier too. I'm like,
Because like every other one was missing. I was like, it's weird. Yeah.
It's for style.
Yeah, we lost the whole box of them, so
Oh, okay.
I thought they flew off the freeway or some shit.
It could have
I
happened.
thought, well, dude, people steal my spikes.
They steal your spikes?
Yeah, they
Super
walk
glue.
up, they walk up.
Whoa, whoa. Oh, he's got death.
That's it for part 1, but you're going to want to subscribe for part 2. Trust me.
That's my new bike.